All right, so in this video, we're going to start to actually override our template files, and we'll dig into that. But just before we do, a quick reminder of some of the more common template files that will override. html.html.twig. This template provides the markup for the basic structure of the page, the head, the title, and the body tags. If you wanted to override that for a particular node, you could use html-node-id, say 5.html.twig. Page.html.twig is the default theme implementation to display a single page. This is where all the hard-coded elements are rendered, and so this is one you'll actually change fairly often, and it's where you'll add all of your custom regions. So some alternate naming there: page-node-edit, node-1, or just page-node.html.twig. Region.html.twig is used when a page region has content either from the block system or a function like hook page build. Now, functions are not something we're going to get into very much here. That's more of a module development course, but you should be aware of it. Block.html.twig. This is how the blocks get rendered. In this syntax, module is the name of the module displaying data in a block, and delta is the internal ID assigned to the block by the module. Once again, starting to get into a little bit of module development there, but again, you should be aware of it. Node.html.twig, this is the one we most often change. This is how we format our nodes nicely. And so, for instance, node-type.html.twig, that would be node-article.html.twig, would reconfigure all of our article type nodes. Taxonomy-term, this is how taxonomy term pages are rendered. And finally, field.html.twig, the default implementation for any given field. If you wanted to be very specific, you would use a template override, say field-name-content-type, and then you would be overriding the layout for one field in one content type. Drupal's pretty amazing this way. It gives you complete control over every element of your site. So how do we make these template overrides? Well, in your custom theme, you create a templates folder, grab one of the core template files, in this case user.html.twig, and you change it. So now I have the word hi there in an h1 tag above the user profile. Let's take a look and see if that works. I've cleared my cache, and as you can see, there's the word hi there. Now, before we go on in this course, I'm going to give you two quick tasks to do before we move to the next video. First, we're going to change this font back because it's just driving me crazy. And secondly, we're going to get ready for the next video by creating that templates folder. So let's go ahead and first off, get rid of this font. Head back over to your mytheme.info file and let's just get rid of mytheme Pacifico. Hit save, flush your cache, and you should now see Times Roman, the normal default font. Honestly, that's just much more readable at this point, isn't it? Head back over to your file system and go ahead and create that templates folder. So in Themes, Custom, My Theme, create a folder called Templates, and this is where we'll put all of our template overrides. All right, get those two things done, and you'll be ready for the next video.